In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to email integrations in Monday.com. Let's get started right from your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, and from the home screen, look for your Inventory Management board. Go ahead and click into that board. This is where we'll set up and test our email template with attachments, but the same process will work on any board you choose. Once the board is open, you'll want to access more advanced views and options. At the top of the board, open the Views menu, then choose the option to explore more views. This is where you can search for and add the email-related view you'll be working with. In the search bar that appears, start typing the name of the view you're looking for, then select it and choose to open it in the board. That will load the email integration view directly connected to your items. Inside this view, look for the option to create a new template. Click to create a new email template so you can define how your emails will look and behave. A panel will open where you can configure the template's details. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can easily recognize it later. In the template editor, you'll see fields for subject, body content, and additional options. Take a moment to type in your subject line and any body text you need. You can use placeholders that pull in data from your items, but we'll focus on attachments for now. Find the option labeled Add Attachments and click it. You'll see choices for attaching files from a column or directly from your device. If your board already has a Files or Attachments column, choose from Column to automatically include whatever is stored there for each item. If you want to upload something new, choose from Device and pick the file from your computer. Once you've selected the file source and any specific column or file, apply those settings so the attachments become part of this template. Next, select the sender account for this email template. Open the sender drop-down and choose the email account you want to use, such as your connected work account. Confirm that selection, then save or apply the template settings. Now it's time to test. Use the Send or Send Now option, then choose the item you want to send the email for example, a specific product like a laptop in your inventory. Confirm your selection, click Send, and then return to your main table view. Your email integration is now set up to include attachments automatically.